What connects TAKRAF, a bucket wheel excavator, India and ALOtec? Let me explain in the next few minutes. My name is Lukas and I'm an engineer at ALOtec Dresden. Today we will show you laser hardening and the benefits, especially for large-scale components. We are standing here in front of a gear wheel segment we are processing for TAKRAF. Processing means that we will laser harden the tooth flanks for wear resistance for the future use of this part. TAKRAF is one of the world's leading providers for mining equipment and solutions. Mining companies around the globe rely on TAKRAF solutions. Their portfolio ranges from excavation systems and primary crushers to material handling equipment above and underground. This component here is a part of a mining equipment. It's one of 8 segments that form a gear ring with a total diameter of 9 meters. Each segment weighs around 950 kilograms and is nearly 4 meters long. It has 38 teeth, and in total we will hardening the tooth flanks of 16 segments. Laser hardening is a highly precise and efficient method for hardening steel components. The results are extremely hard, wear-resistant surface, while the core remains tough. There's minimal distortion, which significantly reduces the need for rework compared to other hardening processes. We are inside one of our 4 laser systems. You can see our laser system alongside the component. We have a 6-axis robot mounted on a linear track and our laser optics, our tool. And the oscillating laser beam heats the component surface precisely and locally to high temperatures. At these spots, austenite forms. As the heat dissipates through the component, martensite is formed, which hardens the structure of our part. But why laser hardening at all? And what are the alternatives? Furnace hardening is widely used and efficient, but we have to heat up all the component and we need a complex cooling. Flame hardening lacks on precision and we have an uneven hardening result. Induction hardening is widely used as well, especially for surface hardening. But here we apply a lot of heat into the material and we have the risk of distortion of the part. So why laser hardening? The benefits are clear. We can align the laser precisely to the tooth flanks. We have a uniform quality in the laser hardening. We have minimal distortion. We have no need of quenching medium. And in this case, we achieve a hardness of 55 HRC and a hardening depth of about 1 millimeter. So what about the bucket wheel excavator and India? Close to the city of Nivali lies one of the largest deposits of lignite in the whole country. TAKRAF will assemble our laser hardened gear segments into gear rings and install them into the drivers of bucket wheel excavators. These drivers allow the excavator's upper structure to rotate around its vertical axis, enabling it to work across a wide area without moving the entire machine. And that's how laser hardening technology from Dresden improves massive mining machines in India. Thanks for watching. See you soon.